Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to open an Excel document in Safari for macOS. Open the file you need. Click on File at the top menu bar. Set file type to Web Page. Click on Yes and click on Save. Open the file. Easy. Let's do it differently. Open the Google page. Click on the square icons. Select Drive from the list. Drag and drop the file into the drive. Click on the file and choose Open with Google Sheets. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!